Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix a temporarily locked PayPal account. If your account is restricted, limited, or keeps saying that your account access is temporarily limited message, don't worry because we've got you covered. Let's begin. Okay, before anything else, we need to understand why your account is locked. Because PayPal may temporarily lock or limit your account for a few reasons. Number one, it's going to be like unusual login attempts from a different location or device, or maybe suspicious transactions, exceeding sending or receiving limits, or maybe missing verification details like ID or bank info. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to your browser and of course, log in using your credentials to your PayPal account. All right. From here, I want you to understand that there is an option at the gear icon in the top right corner. I want you to click on it. Now, let me tell you, you have the ability to create or update your password. If you feel that your password has been compromised, if you're opening your PayPal account in different devices, you might want to change or update your password. You can also use a passkeys so you can seamlessly log in using your fingerprint, face, or PIN. And of course, my suggestion is that you add a two-step verification. It adds an extra layer of security to your account by using a one-time security code in addition to your password each time you log in. And of course, you also have more options wherein you can add security questions for your protection. You can choose 2 security questions. This way, PayPal can verify if it's really you if there's ever a doubt. And of course, for using a mobile PIN, you need to create or update your 4-digit mobile PIN. You'll use it easily and securely pay with your mobile device. Another option that you can look into is now contacting the PayPal customer support is very easy. All you have to do is choose your platform. You can send them a message, call them, or send them an email. From here, normally, they will ask some information about confirming your identity, updating your address or phone number, verifying a bank or credit card, uploading proof of your recent transactions. Alright, after submitting your documents or details, of course, PayPal will review your account. The process usually takes 24 to 72 hours, sometimes longer if additional checks are needed. Okay? And basically, that's it for today's video. Now you know how to fix a temporarily locked PayPal account and prevent it from happening again. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.